Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use one of our newest features, the dynamic keyword insertion feature. So what you're looking at here is our entire campaign. So these are the extensions, site links, callouts, structured snippets, and calls. And this is our first ad group called example ad group. And if you scroll down, you'll see our responsive search ad here. On the left hand side, we have 3 headlines and 4 descriptions. And then on the right hand side, you can see the preview of that ad along with the extensions. And of course, you can click on randomize variations to see the different headlines and descriptions. So all you need to do to activate the DKI is just click on the ad. And let's just change the first headline. And you use the exact same syntax as you would on Google. So let's just do keyword and colon. And then let's just put keyword 0 so you can see how that works. And again, you can use any keyword that you want. For the purposes of this demo, I'm just using keyword 0. And let's click on update. Okay. And what I forgot to show you was my list of keywords. So the reason why I chose keyword 0 is so that you could see how it populates in there. So I'll have, as my keywords, I have keyword 1 all the way to keyword 8. So I'll scroll back up. Let me just refresh just to get rid of the green highlights. Oops, let me close that. Let's go back. Okay, so you'll see here I have by and then the DKI syntax. But on the right hand side, you'll see that the keyword 7 is dynamically pulled into the ad. Here's keyword 7, keyword 4, keyword 6. So if you click on randomize variations, you'll see that it'll dynamically pull different keywords in there. And this is good just to see how DKI works. If it works, if it works well with your other ad copy, you can keep on clicking that. And that's it. Again, this is the new DKI feature. It's enabled on all of the responsive search ad previews. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.